Alloy Products Corporation. Automated CNC, seam welding capabilities enhance quality and productivity while reducing costs. With this technology, we can weld stainless steel sheets ranging in thickness from 0.15 of an inch to 0.375 inches, up to 48 inches in length, and up to 80 inches in diameter. This remarkably precise, efficient process produces durable welds that exceed ASME standards, ensures fast turnaround, and maintains consistent, highly repeatable results with each subsequent order. Ask about how our automated seam welding can give you the accuracy, speed, and uncompromising quality you need. With Alloy products behind you, the pressure's on your competition.